The Google form provides you a branching which allows you to re-attempt for the incorrect responses. That is, today we are going to see the looping in the Google form, which also help us to understand how to handle the different sections which are available in the Google form. In today's example, we are going to see the MCQ based branching section, in which suppose we have a question number 1 and we have a different option, that is option number A, B and C. If a particular person attempt to the question number answer A which is wrong, then in that case he will redirect to the question number 1 itself. If he is attempting the question number answer number B, that is also a wrong, then also is re-attempting to the same question. The user will move to the next question if and only if he is attempting the correct answer. That is nothing but the looping, which is we are going to see in the live section. So we had created a form that is used for the quiz. The procedure for the creation of the form is given in the description box, which is we had already seen. We had taken the three different questions, but keep in mind, for attempting the loop in the Google form we have to create a sections, which means that when we are using these answers, we can move to the next section only. So we had taken the three different section. In each section we had taken the three questions. First section 1, first question, section 2, second question, and in section number 3 we had taken third question, in which the first question, MS Word is an example of what? This is the correct answer is the application software. Means the particular user, if the particular user will select the correct answer, in that case we will go to the section number 2. Otherwise the particular the it will redirect to the same question. So for this we have to go to the right at the bottom of this first question we are three dots, that is more option. In this we are getting second question, that second option, that is go to the section based on answer. This the correct answer is application software. So when the particular user select this application software, we will move to the next section, that is section number 2. Otherwise what we have to do, we have to redirect it to the section number 1, that is to the first question. So if an operating system that is the correct wrong answer, we will redirect to the first question, that is to the same question, same processing device, go to the section number 1, and last an input device in the same we are going to set this go section number 1. When we use the correct answer, in that case only we will move to the next section. Otherwise we will redirect to the same question itself. We will check it with the preview option. Here the correct answer is the application software, but we will select the wrong answer, that is an operating system. We will click on the next. We have to enter the email ID, otherwise it will not accept the parameters or accept the form. So we had entered the wrong answer. In this case we will say what we will get, we are redirecting it to the same question. We will say select the another wrong answer, that is a processing device, then click on the next option. Again it will redirect to the same question, because we are using the looping. Third one for the same, it will redirect. But when we select the correct answer, that is the application software, now it is question number 1, it will move to the question number 2, because we had selected the correct answer. Now we are getting the control shift. I mean, this is nothing but the second question. Second, for second also we will implement same. Control shift alt are called dash keys. These are nothing but the modifier. So if we are selecting the modifier, we will go to the continue to the next section, means it will move to section number 3. And if you are selecting the function alphanumeric or the adjustment, then we will redirect it to the same question, that is we are at the section number 2. So here we had selected go to section number 2 in all this. Same for the section number 3. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the what we don't have. So we have to go to the question, and here in the operating system is the correct answer, so we'll go to the submit because we have only 3 question. Otherwise it will redirect to the section number 3, so you have to select here section number 3, here also section number 3, because these are the wrong answer, and for each attempt of the wrong question we have to go to the section number 3, and we have to make it mandatory. Same here for all. Now we will take the final loop. Initially we have to enter the mail id. Next one, for each wrong attempt we will revert back to the same section. An operating system is a wrong answer, so we will revert back to the section number 1. If we are selecting the application software, that is the which is the correct answer, and by selecting the next we will move to the section number 2, that is to the section, that is to the question number 2. Here if we are selecting the correct answer, that is the modifier, and we are selecting to the next, this means that we will move to the third question. If that question is wrong, we will redirect to the section number 2, but we had selected the correct answer, so we are moving to the third next section, that is the third section. And the last, the computer cannot boot if it doesn't have a operating system. We select wrong answer. In this case we will get back to the same, that is section number 3, but right now we are selecting the correct answer. Next, this will submit the answer or submit the your paper, and finally we have to select click on the submit button to finalize the quiz option. This is the simplest way to use to find out the branching statement, which gives you to redirect or to relocate to the same question. This will move to the next question unless you will give the correct answer, and this is possible only if you are using the sections only. Means this looping will be completely based on the looping portion only. Thank you. Hope you like this.